Hello, good afternoon. You are once welcome to Bright Business Concept. Yes, in today's class, I'm going to be showing you how to use a KineMaster App to edit videos. This is the app. As you can see, this very app I'm circling here in blue. Yeah, so that's the app. So I'll be going directly into it now. All you just need to do is to click on it after you might have downloaded it from okay, so this is where the KineMaster app will take you to. As soon as you click on the app, so you look at this plus sign here, you click on it, and you can choose how you want the ratio of your project to be like, whether 16.9. This first one is usually used for YouTube. The last one you can use for maybe your Instagram or Facebook, and this one is actually the phone size. Okay, so let me use the first one. Okay, let's go back. Okay, let me just use this for the purpose of this class. All right, so as soon as you click the plus sign, it takes you to a window that looks like this. Okay, so here you can select your background. Different background can be selected. You can select red, blue, black, white. It depends on what you want. Sometimes I use black all through, sometimes I use it all, depending on what I want. And so looking at it now, we've come to this place. So you can see the backgrounds. You can see the different backgrounds here. All right, you can see them here. So anytime you highlight anything, you want to unhighlight it, you click outside the bar. So let's go to the first template. Look at this icon here that says layers. Once you want to import pictures, import tests, whatever you want to do, you do most of your workspace here. This one is for media, for either picture, video. This one is for the FX effect. This one is for overlay. You want to lay another picture or video on another picture, you use this overlay. Then for test, you use this. So let's just quickly bring in some, maybe one or two pictures. Okay, let me just go to my WhatsApp. Let me just go to WhatsApp image and see. Okay, so I have some pictures here. Let's see if we can bring in any one of them. Okay, yes, I have this. Okay, so I have this already. Okay, you can bold it. If maybe you want just the shoe to show, you can bold it this way. All right, you can bold it this way, and you click this sign, or you just click down here. It's either you click up here, or you click down here. All right, so just as we have done this, we can go to the next. If you want it more, you can easily widen it. You can widen the clip. All right, you can reduce it depending on what you want. Okay, so that is that. So we go to the next one. Okay, then you click on that same layer. Let us bring in another clip. This time around, let's look for something different from what we've put in before. Okay, I have an ebook here. Okay, so let me just put that ebook. Okay, this is it. So I can make this 2 pictures if I so desire, because it's still on the same template. All right, so or I can just fix in the text. Okay, let's use the test here. Okay, so just write ebook for sale. For sale. Okay. All right, so that's it. Once you have the test here, you can enlarge it. Okay, you can enlarge it. You can change the text by clicking on this double A here, and then you choose any of the type you want to use, font you want to use. You can change the color by tapping on that white stuff. Change the color to yellow and click OK. All right. So that's for that. Then let's look at the video. Once you click on play, you can check what you have done. It automatically changes to the next slide for you. Okay, is that clear? So let's write on. So you can easily add more, and you can easily drag this to just to make it a little bit longer. Okay, so let's go to the next slide, which is this. Let's go to the next. So let us try and bring another picture here. Let's try and bring another picture here. All right, you can choose from different pictures as far as they are. I just have some images here, so that's why I want to really use them, not using my. Okay, so let's use this. All right, so this even goes, this goes with the background. All right, so this one goes with the background. All right, so let's have it there. Okay, cool. So we can widen it a little bit and then go to the next. Go to the next one. All right, and we can just choose to put test here. All right, so but I am a big boy. I'm a big boy. All right, so you can decide to enter it like that. All right, so that's the font. You can change the font. All right, then you click OK. So that's it. Let's try and change the color to something that will appear more. Okay, so that's it. So we can actually have a picture of a big boy close to it. All right, so okay, maybe I should use one of my picture then. Let me use my picture. I'm also a big boy now, Abby. All right, so that's it. Reduce it and place it near it like this. All right, so I think we have already have some pictures here. So that is that. And then one more thing is animation. We can choose to animate some of these pictures. Okay, so once you click on that very picture, you look at the first option here. This one too is out animation. There's in animation. How do you want it to come in, or if you want it to overall animation is what goes. So let us use overall animation for this and see what will happen. You want it to blink, you want it to flick, okay, you want it to pause, it does that. You want it to jilter, okay. If you want it as a fountain, it comes this way. All right, it comes that way. And if you want it as a ring, it comes that way. All right, so let's use this. All right, okay, so we go to the next one. All right, so once you click on this word, you go to in animation. So whatever you want it to do, whether you want it to pop or you want it to be clockwise, all right, you click OK. Then the book, if you want maybe an overall, let's just put it at pause. Or let's, okay, now there's something else. If you look at this plus sign here, it is called transition sign. Transition means the way you want the first slide to transit to the second one. Okay. Now, what style do you want? Do you want it to shift from the left to the right or whatever? You will see what I mean now. Let's see this. Okay. All right. So that's a typical example of okay, so let's see what will happen there. That's transition. Okay, so let's do this also. Let's just go to, I'm just using 3D. You can use different types. Okay, let's see this. Okay, so let's see what happened, how it transits to the other picture. You can see that. So we want to add music. Okay, we want to add music. All right. So when you look at this icon here, this one I circled in blue. Okay, that one I circled in blue. You click on it. Okay, it takes you to your music. You can get music assets from a platform, but this particular music is from my phone. Okay, so let's just try and look for something soft. Okay, all right, let me see this music. Okay, so once you like the music, all you need to do is, there's a plus sign here, this particular plus sign here, that plus sign there. Okay, so you click on it, it automatically imports the audio. Okay, so let's play our video and see. All right, so that's it. After putting that, you can now export. You can export. All right, it takes you to this place. You can choose any of this pixel, but the 720 is always better, because when you want to upload on YouTube, maybe for professional use, always use that 720. But for personal use, although the video will be compressed, I'll be showing you that how to do that compression in another video. So export. Let's export the video. All right. Okay, that's it. That's it. All right. So and check and look for that video. All right. Oh, this is it. This is the video. So all right. So all right, that's it on the KineMaster. I'll be also be showing you how to compress the video, so that the MB you'll be using to post will be very little, it will be very small. Thank you very much for watching.